Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your very first character in Godot. First, open Godot and switch over to the 2D workspace. That's where we'll be creating our character. Next, click on Node 2D and rename it to Game. Now let's create a new scene by clicking the plus button. After that, click the plus button above where it says Node 2D to add a new node. Search for Area 2D, then click Create. Once it's added, rename it to Player. Now press Ctrl plus S to save the scene. If you did everything correctly, you should see player.tscn in the bottom left corner of the editor. Now let's add another node. This time, search for Animated Sprite 2D and add it as a child of the Player node. For this tutorial, I'm using Brachy's Knight character, but you can use any sprite sheet you want. With Animated Sprite 2D selected, find sprite frames in the inspector. Click the drop-down, then choose New Sprite Frames. Open the Sprite Frames editor. Create a new animation and rename it to Idle. Next, click the 9-grid icon. It might not look exactly the same on your screen, but it's the button used to slice up your sprite sheet. Select your character's sprite sheet. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the horizontal and vertical frame settings. Change these to match your sprite sheet. For example, the Brachy's Knight uses 6 columns by 9 rows. Once that's set, select the frames for your idle animation from left to right in order. Now your animation has been created. Press F to center the view and use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in. If you press the Play Animation button, you should see your idle animation playing. Your character might look blurry if that's the case. Click Project, Project Settings, and under Rendering click Textures instead of Linear click Nearest. Now we need to add collisions. Without a collision shape, your character will simply fall through the map later. Select the Player node. Click the plus button to add another node. Search for Collision Shape 2D and add it. In the inspector, click Empty, then choose Rectangle Shape 2D. Resize the rectangle so it fits around your character. Take a moment to position it correctly. And that's it. You now have your very first character set up in Godot. In the next video, I'll show you how to build the map, add a background, and get everything looking like a real game. So if you don't want to miss it, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.